Izisebenzi ze-SABC ezweni lonke namhlanje zingenele ukhukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka. Umbhikisho omkhulu ubanjwe ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bewuholwa yinyunyana i-Communication Workers Union wesekwa uphiko lwentsha ye-ANC, i-ANC Youth League kanye nomphakathi. Inyunyana yezisebenzi ICEO ithi kumele kuhlakazwe ibhodi le-SABC bese ifakwa ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli. Ithumele uhlu lwezikhalo kubaphathi be-SABC.
We demand that management withdraw all dismissal letter, or they call them whatever they call it.
We must use the power of legislation to save the SABC. More SABC, more not the boss.
We demand the complete overhaul of the SABC salary structure.
Oyisikhulu se-SABC hulwemukele loluhlu lwezikhalo.
We have received this memorandum. We will then take it to the board of the SABC, and once a response has been submitted, we will then accordingly engage with the leadership of CWU in terms of the outcome.
Zonke izisebenzi zithi phansi ngokudilizwa. Epitoli izisebenzi ze-SABC bezesekwa nayizinhlangano zomphakathi. Nakhona bonke bathi i-SABC ayihoxise izincwadi zokudilizwa kwezisebenzi.
Mani ngekho siyobheka njani generations. Mani ngekho siyosibona njani izindaba. Abanye bomama bethu bogogo bethu abasizwa nesilungu.
eThekwini izisebenzi ze-SABC zifuna ukuthi khoxiswe izincwadi zokudilizwa kwezisebenzi kulaxazwe phansi nohlelo lokuhlela kabusha uphiko lwezindaba.
We've risked our lives, we've worked day and night, we've gone into areas where there's been political violence just so that we can continue in our mandate.
eLimpopo izisebenzi zithi nakuba i-SABC isakumisile okwesikhashana ukudiliza izisebenzi kepha ke akucaci ngekusasa lazo.
If your job is redundant or is a surplus, you have to sign.
eMahikenge Northwest izisebenzi zithi izinsuku eziyisikhombisa zokumiswa kwalolu hlelo ziwukhisimusi nje wesikhashana.
The suspensions of 7 days by the board means nothing to us because they are just playing for time.
eBLOEMFONTEIN uhlelo olusha lokusebenza kwe-SABC oluhlongozwayo lungaholela ekutheni kuphele nyanga amahhovisi e-SABC esifunda. Lapha i-SABC ihlela ukuhlanganisa amahhovisi e-SABC ase-Northern Cape kanye nawase-Free State.
Onto us, especially the provinces everywhere, wherever there are SABC offices.
eNorthern Cape ukudilizwa kwezisebenzi ze-SABC lapha kuzokukhinyabeza kakhulu ukusakazwa kwezindaba ngolwimi lomdabu. eWestern Cape izisebenzi ze-SABC zithi ukwehliswa kwezindleko zomsakazeli womphakathi kumele kuqale ezikhundleni eziphezulu.
Before kudendwa abasebenzi sifuna uhlaba ikhwelo kubaphathi be-SABC kuba nabo ke make banciphise imiholo yabo ingakumbi abo bahola imali phaya ko 2 million rand.
Isiteleka siqhubeke nangesonto elizayo.